Alright, hey Earthlings, we are at Ricky Knotweed's at what I like to call the Knotweed Project. Earthling Bee Co, and here we are. And the reason I call this the Knotweed Project is because we have bees on a plant that's called Japanese Knotweed. Now this plant right here, which is getting ready to be in full bloom, is considered invasive by the Department of Natural Resources here in Indiana. And I could see why. I mean, it does sort of take over, but the bees love it. And they make the blackest, like richest honey out of this stuff. It has a little white bloom, blooms in the fall, and it's in the buckwheat family, and it makes a honey that is so dark and rich, it's almost like molasses, and is so delicious and yummy. So, looks like we have about a week until this stuff is in full bloom. It's already, the blossoms already popped out, and they'll elongate, have a little white sort of flower on them, and the bees will work that like crazy. You'll walk through this hedge and you'll hear the buzz. I mean, the hedge will be buzzing with bees. So what we did for this project is we harvested some really strong colonies, threw them on a trailer, and parked it right here. And we threw some wet supers on top, and we're hoping they fill those wet supers up with some delicious knotweed honey. So we got one hive that was out here, and we brought 4 more strong colonies and just dumped them on this knotweed. And look at this stuff. Look at the bees on it already. And it's not even blooming yet. And that's what we have over on that house, as well as Mr. Ricky Knotweed himself.